Designing a template requires both speed and accuracy, and keyboard shortcuts are totally the way to go. Here's 5 awesome shortcuts for template design in GraFx Studio. Number 1. Zoom in. Place your cursor on the object you want to resize and just spin that wheel. This lets you zoom in and out instantly. Number 2. Preview mode. This is super helpful when you want to make sure that frames are aligned or that they don't overlap. Number 3. Zoom to page. If you're working with animations, you're going to be using this with your timeline all the time, especially when you need to expand your timeline and you're working with a lot of layers. Number 4. Pan. You're always going to be zooming in and out and readjusting your objects as well as opening and closing panels. Panning makes the entire process more efficient since you can just move the canvas around and focus on a particular object. Plus, it's just super easy to hold down the spacebar. Number 5. Multi-select. This one makes it super easy to readjust your objects across different sizes, and the cherry on top, you'll be able to resize your objects proportionally. And that's it for 5 awesome shortcuts for template design in GraFx Studio. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Check out the links below to learn more about Chili GraFx, follow us on socials, and get certified. See you around.